Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Man Overboard on bass. First, ensure your bass is tuned to standard E, A, D, G. This is crucial for matching the original recording. For an authentic punk rock feel, it is recommended to use a pick, which helps achieve that sharp, driving tone. Remember to focus on a clear and consistent rhythm from the very beginning, as this song relies heavily on a steady groove. Let's get started with the main riffs. The iconic intro riff is fast and repetitive, but straightforward once you get the finger placement. Begin by barring your second finger across the 10th fret on both the A and D strings. Then, extend your pinky to strike the 12th fret on the D string. Immediately after, roll your middle finger back to cleanly hit the 9th fret on the D string. Practice this quick, 3-note sequence to build speed and accuracy for the song's opening. Moving into the verse, you will often find a simpler, more root note-based pattern. A common sequence involves the 3rd fret, 5th fret, and open E string. For the chorus, the bass line shifts to the A string, utilizing the 10th, 5th, 7th, and 3rd frets. It is important to maintain a driving and energetic feel throughout these sections, keeping the punk rock intensity alive. Pay attention to the song's dynamics to ensure your playing matches the overall energy. The bridge section brings a slightly different texture, often incorporating bass chords. One common part involves playing the 5th fret on the D string alongside an open G string. You will also encounter a power chord, typically formed by the 3rd fret on the A string and the 5th fret on the D string. Remember, the overall song structure is built on repeating these core riffs. Focus on smooth transitions between the intro, verse, chorus, and bridge to master the entire track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.